Hi everyone! Today we're going to play a game called Guess That Sound. So I'm going to play some different sounds and you're going to try to guess what is it? Alright, so are you ready? Alright. What do you think that sound is? Did anybody guess keys? If you guessed keys, you were right. That is the sound of keys tinkling together. What is that sound? What could it be? Did anybody guess clothespins? If you guessed it was a clothespin, you were right. It's clothespin opening and closing. You should have one of these in your kit. What did that sound like to you? Thinking. It's a fan. For when you get hot, it's a fan. And inside the propellers spin and make whirling sounds. Okay, this one's a little bit hard. What could that be? It's a necklace. The necklace makes sounds when the beads touch each other. Do you have a necklace at home that you could try? What is that? It's a water bottle. Different types of water bottles are made of different materials, so your water bottle might sound a little different. Another thing you can do is put stuff inside your water bottle and then shake it and see what kind of sounds it makes. Okay, this is our last sound. Do you know what that is? They're bells. In your kit, you also have bells that you can try making your own instruments. Those are fun sounds. So I hope you enjoyed playing with me. Guess that sound. You can try making different sounds at your house and have your family guess. And thanks for joining me. Until next time. Bye.